Hello! Once again, I'm Elise, and this is Hannah. One of our biggest challenges right now is that she is sick and has no voice. But that's okay, I like talking. And this is our pop-up palace. It is made of felt. That is our new challenge and new design aspect, is that we have found out we are not able to make our product out of an injectable molded plastic like originally planned. So we are scrapping that idea and starting fresh, and we are going to make a playhouse out of felt, so it's still going to be able to be taken apart and stored, but it can now be washed and reused, and we can get different colors. It's now a white canvas right now, a nice blank canvas, but it will be designed like a palace, so it'll have a drawbridge, different textures, different fine motor tactiles, and since we can't have a slide and a swing attachment because it's made of felt, we have to improvise with different developmentally appropriate attachments like hopscotch, and we'll have balance beams and lots of different fun things. So far, we've had a lot of brand new experiences. As education majors, we never thought we'd have to deal with marketing or finances or really anything business related. So it's been a nice way to learn something new. We now know how to create a marketing plan and price out our product, and we're creating a focus group, so that's kind of cool that we're learning how to develop a whole new focus group and meet with people and go from there. So it's been a lot of positive experiences so far, and we're excited to keep on learning. Thanks for tuning in. Follow along for updates on Twitter and Instagram using the hashtag #TheHatch2018.